Hey, welcome back, my amazing student. So now that we got the first part of this day query, day filter functionality, we got to work on the second part. All right, let me bring my project into the second part. Let me get this working actually here. Perfect. All righty. Boom. Alrighty. So let's go back into the form real quick here. And I'm going to look for filters. So you can see the filters here. And I'm going to go back into this form right here. And I'm going to play around with this a little bit. So we first need to create a post method of get. Now, by default, the form is always going to have get request, but I like to be explicit here sometimes. And this here is going to refresh on the same page because it's the index. So let's just say index here. All right. So when we submit this form, it's going to submit to the same page because we want those query parameters here on top to be on the same page, since this is the only page that this is going to be working on for now. Right. This input here is going to hold start, because we are expecting this on the top here. You can see that right here. And we're expecting end as well. All right. Yeah. And we need the end here for this one. So this one would be end. Yeah. Just like that. Okay. What else are we missing here? Let me go back up. As a matter of fact, yeah, I want the value here as well. So let's go that value that we're actually bringing, sending right here. That's what I want there. Okay. So we're going to say start underscore str, or we set it to empty. We're going to do the same thing for this, but a little bit the opposite, right? Because we're going to say end str or empty. And we put it backwards here, right? str, there we go. Jeez. All righty. We got to work on this, getting this categories here. We'll make a lecture for that. But right now, let's see if this actually works. All right, so I'm refreshing. Let's add another expense here. So let's just add groceries. All right, let me make this a little bigger so you can see. Groceries, let's say around $600 for the whole month, right? Depending where you are. If I'm in the Caribbean, this should be enough. And let's go and put this date on the 9th. And let's make that full. That's fine. We're going to add the expense. You can see it right here. And let's say I just want to see that expense only. So I'm going to go to that. Matter of fact, from the 1st of September to the 9th, and then we're going to hit apply, and you can see that it is actually working. Really awesome stuff. So if I hit apply, that's working, right? Now the category here, of course, is static. We're going to fix that in a minute, but the most important thing is that this is actually working. So I'm going to put this to the 26th, and you can see now that it is actually working. Really good stuff, guys. Really awesome. Anyway, guys, yeah, I'm gonna leave this lecture very short, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.